tired of constant pings from someone, let's silence their texts on the iPhone. You can do this in two ways. The first one is from the Messages list. For this, open the Messages app on your device. Next, in the Chats page, select the contact that you want to silence the notifications. Now, swipe left on the conversation. A bell icon with a slash through it will appear next to the conversation in your message list. Click on it, showing that alerts are hidden for that contact. From now onwards, when that person sends you a message, you will not receive a sound or banner notification. You may see a red badge, a number in a circle, indicating an unread message. The message will still be delivered to your iPhone and will appear in your messages list. The second one is within the conversation. In the Chats page, select the conversation with the person you want to mute. Tap the person's name or photo at the very top of the screen. Now, toggle Hide Alerts to the on position. And that's it. From now onwards, notification is silenced for that contact. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech videos.